Hi everyone. Good evening. I'm trying to see how many people have logged in. Okay. Hello. I can already see people are logging in. Hi. I am Anupma Katyal. I'm the National Creative Director, Makeup for Lakme Salon, and very excited to be on this platform with Lakme Academy. The main reason is that I have always believed and supported education. Uh, I think education is so important, and I'm so glad that we're talking about the importance of formal education, especially in a field like makeup. Now, ये इतना ज़रूरी क्यों है? Because a lot of people feel that makeup is something that there is so much makeup happening online. Bloggers are doing makeup, YouTubers are doing makeup, so people feel that we are learning so much from the social media. Why do I need to go to an academy to learn makeup? And I will tell you why. Well, makeup is not only about learning a technique. Makeup is also about learning the history of makeup, the detailing of makeup. Makeup is such a vast subject कि आप जितना भी सीखे उतना कम है. And I would like to also say that अगर आप चाहते हैं मैं हिंदी में बोलूँ या इंग्लिश में बोलूँ तो आप मेरे को बताते रहिएगा. I will keep talking to in the language you want me to talk to you. Now, when we talk about makeup, एक जेनेरिक ऐसा है कि मैंने मेकअप यहाँ से सीखा या लॉट ऑफ पीपल से कि एक बहुत अच्छी आर्टिस्ट है मैंने उनसे सीखा. वेल, आप किसी से भी चाहे सीख सकते हैं, लेकिन आई विल टेल यू वन थिंग. जब आप ग्रेजुएशन करते हैं, आप या स्कूल ख़त्म करते हैं, आप कॉलेज जाते हैं, तो आप एक रिकग्नाइज्ड कॉलेज में जाते हैं. जब आप ग्रेजुएशन कर लेते हैं, आपने एमबीए करना है, तो आप एक अच्छी जगह जाके यू गो एंड डू योर एमबीए. The academy, the university that you go to has its own value. So when you come to Lakme Academy, it has great value, and there are many reasons for it. First of all, that the kind of syllabus that we have for you is directly linked to the greatest fashion week, Lakme Fashion Week. We have a very unique program called Backstage Heroes, which I will talk to you in a little bit. But your syllabus, your teachers, your trainers, they matter a lot in education. Now, you may have been born with a lot of creativity, but everybody needs to polish their skills. Each one of us has polished our skills to be here, right? So when you have a trainer who helps you polish your skills, who tells you your mistakes, who gives you new ideas, that is the time when you will be able to ready be face the professional world. Now, if you are because you are doing a course, whether you do a foundation course and after that you do an advanced course, you are entering a very competitive line. Everybody wants to be a makeup artist these days, and everybody's good at their work. So what is it that will give you the edge to be better than everyone else, to be able to be standing out in a crowd? It will be your teachers, it will be your syllabus, it will be the variety of subjects that you will learn, right from color theory, right from history of makeup, lighting and shadowing, everything that you need to learn in a proper college, in a proper university, you will be learning at Lakme Academy. So, guys, I will say कि अगर आपको makeup artist बनना है, so पहली बात तो ये बहुत अच्छा प्रोफेशन है, आई कैन टेल यू दैट. दूसरी बात बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप अपनी जो पढ़ाई है वो पूरी करें मेकअप के बारे में. ठीक है. नाउ what happens is that because I'm going to wear my specs now because I want to start reading your messages, and I'm getting a lot of them. Good evening. Hello, good evening. So I'm looking for some questions. Okay, someone wants to know what base I have applied. I will tell you in the makeup class, but right now we are talking about education. So, Lakme Academy offers you not only a limited kind of a course, but also a lot of exposure into the fashion world. Once you graduate from here, if you are, so there are many things that you can create your expertise in. आप एक फैशन मेकअप आर्टिस्ट बनना चाहते हैं, डू यू वांट टू बी अ डूइंग फैशन शोज, डू यू वांट टू गेट इनटू एडवर्टाइजिंग, do you want to get into bridal, do you want to do editorials, or you want to do work in a salon, you want to do a corporate job like I am doing. You have so many options to choose from, but one thing that I will recommend is that when you graduate from a makeup school, you must work at a salon. It gives you a lot of discipline. It gives you one-to-one interaction with the client. You get groomed in. If you come from Lakme Academy and you are chosen at a Lakme salon, then you also have the chance to become a backstage hero, which means कि एक साल तक we train you to be behind the scenes for Lakme Fashion Week. Not only that, while you're doing your course also, because we are designing so many looks at Fashion Week, we also incorporate, those looks in your syllabus. So your syllabus has been designed by us in such a way that you can enter the professional market. And while I'm talking to you, Acha Hindi, I think somebody wants me to speak in Hindi. Sushil, ओके, पारुल चौहान हिंदी, परम हिंदी तो अगर आप चाहते हैं एक मेकअप आर्टिस्ट बनना, सो मेकअप आर्टिस्ट के बनने के लिए भी उसमें बहुत सारी वैरायटीज आपको मिलेंगी। आप फैशन में जाना चाहते हैं, आप ब्राइडल आर्टिस्ट बनना चाहते हैं, आप एक सैलून में काम करना चाहते हैं, या आप एक कॉर्पोरेट जॉब लेना चाहते हैं, तो उसमें बहुत सारी वैरायटीज हो जाती हैं, राइट? सो आपको मैं एक ही सलाह दूंगी कि आप अपना जो कोर्स है, सबसे पहले तो उसे पूरा करिए, क्योंकि आपका कोर्स हमने बहुत सोच के बनाया है। आपका कोर्स ऐसा है कि आप किसी भी लाइन में चले जाएँगे। आप ये कोर्स करने के बाद आप फैशन में जाएँगे, आप मीडिया में जाएँगे, अभी टीवी आर्टिस्ट भी चाहिए, आप खुद एक ब्लॉगर बनना चाहते हैं, आप खुद एक यूट्यूबर बनना चाहते हैं, उसके लिए भी तो आपको सीखना पड़ेगा ना प्रोफ़ेशनली। सो आप एयरलाइंस में जाना चाहते हैं, देखिए अभी क्या है कि इवन आपको अगर स्टोर मैनेजर बनना है या आपको एविएशन इंडस्ट्री में जाना है, तो भी आपको सेल्फ ग्रूमिंग की बहुत ज़रूरत है, राइट? सो ये सब चीज़ें मिला के आपका सबसे पहली जो चीज़ है वो ये है कि क्या मुझे फॉर्मल एजुकेशन की ज़रूरत है? क्योंकि जब हम कॉलेज जाते हैं तो हम ये नहीं सोचते, हमें पता है कॉलेज जाना है तो हमें फॉर्मल एजुकेशन यूनिवर्सिटी जाना ही पड़ेगा। तो हम ये कैसे सोच लेते हैं कि अगर मुझे इतनी कम्पेटिटिव इंडस्ट्री में अपना नाम बनाना है, if I want to make a name for myself, if I want to stand out, how can I assume that only a YouTube video will be enough for me to learn? I have to do a course. So I'm waiting for some questions. If any of you have questions, please keep posting. Uh, Good evening. Hello, Rinky. Uh, Okay, so hi ma'am, I want to get into editorial makeup. Asta Behel, you are asking. I was wondering if there are placements happening for the same. Well, Asta, the thing is that for editorial, you have to first do a course. Placements don't happen like that. We will teach you how to do makeup, and when we teach you, it will be right from fashion to bridal to advertising to editorial. Then your trainers, you can tell your trainers that this is my passion, I want to be doing makeup in this, but they will teach you everything. And then, once you have your graduate degree and once you are doing a job, and I always tell people that you must take up a job in the salon. You will be very lucky if you come to Lakme salon, I can really tell you that, because the grooming that you get over there, and the training that you get there. So anybody who comes after a course is also given an induction. If you join Lakme salons, you're given an induction and you are trained to talk to the client. See, it's a different thing when you are doing makeup for your friends and cousins. It's great fun, you know. Makeup is not a serious job. But when you are doing it for another person, it is a serious job. It's very important that you make them look like they want to look. And for that, your training and your education will matter. Your grooming will matter, you know. So all of that is done in Lakme Academy. So going on, okay, Gauri Pradeshi writes that she's a certified beautician. Okay, great, wonderful. Um, hello. Urmila Sai Praveen wants to know celebrity makeup artist कैसे बने? उर्मिला, आप सबसे पहले तो आपने अगर कोर्स किया है और आपने उसके बाद आपने लैक्मे एकेडमी से आपके पास एक सर्टिफिकेट है, बिकॉज दिस इज अ सर्टिफाइड कोर्स जिसमें आपको एयर ब्रश से लेके क्रीम मेकअप सारे इंटरनेशनल नेशनल प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में आपको पूरी डिटेलिंग दी जाती है। उसके बाद जब आप सैलून में काम करते हैं, अब आप सेलिब्रिटी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट बनना चाहते हैं, तो अगर आपने लैक्मे सैलून के साथ काम किया, you get a great opportunity to work if you are a backstage hero. If you are trained, if you qualify to become a backstage hero, then we take you to Lakme Fashion Week, which happens twice a year. And as everybody knows, it has the best designers in the world. It has the top models of the country. It has all the actors and actresses walking on the ramp. And that's how you start getting your exposure. So, what is about corporate job? So, a corporate job can be that if you are again, like, after you have graduated from the academy and you have worked in the salon for some time, you can become a regional trainer. That is a corporate job. You can become a training head. That is a corporate job. So आप किसी भी एविएशन इंडस्ट्री में कर सकते हैं, आप लैक्मे सैलून्स के लिए कर सकते हैं, आप किसी भी होटल इंडस्ट्री के लिए कर सकते हैं. यू कैन बिकम यू कैन स्टार्ट टीचिंग हाउ टू डू सेल्फ ग्रूमिंग. सो देर आर मेनी मेनी ऑप्शंस दैट यू कैन डू. So there is Dheeraj Kapoor who says, "Hello, I am a makeup artist. Something more I want to do. What I do because I want to work in big way as people like." ओके धीरज, सो आप बहुत ज़्यादा एम्बिशियस हैं और आप बहुत अच्छा करना चाहते हैं. दैट इज़ वंडरफुल. आई थिंक आप सब लोग, आई फील के जो यूथ है आज, वो बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है. एंड अगले 5 साल में, 10 साल में आप सब लोगों के नाम होंगे जो हम पढ़ेंगे हर जगह. यू विल बी फेमस सेलिब्रिटीज. पर उसके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हमारा जो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है वो सही हो. आपने अगर एजुकेशन एक अच्छी एकेडमी से ले ली है, तो आपका आगे का रास्ता बहुत आसान हो जाएगा. बिकॉज़ आपको धीरा कपूर, सॉरी आई सेड धीरज कपूर, धीरा कपूर, आपका जो रास्ता है आगे का वो आसान हो जाएगा, क्योंकि आपको लैक्मे एकेडमी वो हर तरह का एक्सपोज़र देगी, वो हर तरह का आपको स्ट्रेंथ देगी कि आप बाहर जाके कुछ कर पाएँ. नॉट ओनली दिस, अगर आप एक एंटरप्रेन्योर भी बनना चाहते हैं, तो आप एकेडमी से ग्रेजुएट करने के बाद आप लैक्मे सैलून की फ्रेंचाइज़ी ले सकते हैं. आप अपना सैलून खोल सकते हैं, एंड कितना अच्छा होगा आप खुद भी अगर एक एंटरप्रेन्योर है. सो आई ऑलवेज फील दैट, एंड माय मदर टोल्ड मी वंस के जो हाथों का हुनर है वो आपसे कोई नहीं ले सकता. सो मेकअप एक हाथों का हुनर है. आपने एक बारी अच्छी जगह से सीख लिया, उसके बाद ऑफ कोर्स कीप अपग्रेडिंग योरसेल्फ, बट योर स्टार्ट हैज टू बी वेरी गुड. So Akshay Goyal, ma'am, can I ask one question? Please ask, Akshay. I'm here to, answer your questions. What is the scope in the industry now? Ashok Chandwani wants to know. Ashok ji, the scope is very good. I know these are very difficult times. These are very tough times, but I also know that makeup is something that will never end. Weddings will continue to happen. People will continue to get ready. People will continue to look beautiful. In fact, travel रुक सकता है, but these small, small things that we have for our happiness, meeting each other, looking beautiful, that will never end, So the scope of the industry, I feel, is very good. And children these days don't only want to, qualify by doing a course abroad or by doing an MBA or engineer or doctor. They can be very well educated makeup artists, like you can see, very well qualified makeup artists. And that is why the academies are there. That is why we have formal education centers. It's like you are going to the best university. And I would say the best university, not only in the country, but everywhere. I have, the kind of syllabus that Lakme Academy has, the kind of strength that Lakme Academy does, the kind of trainers that, Lakme Academy has, and the support it has from Lakme salons. It is amazing. So abhi hamara MTV Winged hua tha. I'm sure all of you saw that, and it was huge. The kind of talent we have in our country. So the scope seems to be very good, and. What is so Akshay Goyal is saying, ma'am, my question is what is makeup come management? So see, makeup is something that you know, but if you are a salon owner, not only can you manage, but you can also do makeup, right? Same way, if you are a salon manager, you can also do makeup. So you are qualified to do two things. If you are in the aviation industry, you can also do makeup. You can also be a blogger. You can also be a salon owner, a franchisee owner, academy owner. So, makeup is something that is also enhancing your skills. I know many people who have a finance degree and they are very successful makeup artists. So, a makeup artist does not have to be stereotyped like I only know makeup. I can do so many things with it. So, I'm already a makeup trainer. So what can I do, Kartika Gaur? That is wonderful, Kartika. Maybe you can do an advanced course in Lakme Academy, and then through that you can get in touch with us, and we can see where we go with it. So what do we learn in the course, Srishti? Well, Srishti, I am. Okay, so you learn everything that you need to learn about makeup, about the history of makeup, about lighting, about how to do it, about there are so many modules. It's not possible for me to discuss the course here, but my team will get in touch with you and we will send you all the details of the course. So, okay, Astha Behel is saying, I am a professional fashion designer. Wonderful, Astha, in the fashion industry. Great. मदर लैंग्वेज बोलो। परम, मेरी जो मदर लैंग्वेज है वो पंजाबी है, सो वो तो मैं यहाँ नहीं बोल सकती। Okay, Rana Sheikh, I have already completed my course with your academy. Wonderful. Can you guide me how I can go to Lakme Fashion Week? Well, Rana, you must try for a job in Lakme Salon. I'll tell you the benefit of working there. One, you are, we always give preference to Lakme Academy kids because it's like, they are our own children. Then, the second thing is that once you are doing a job in Lakme salons, you are trained to, trained to take sorry, I got a little distracted. Trained to, work on the front lines with the clients, and then we do the Backstage Hero program, and then you get a chance to come into the industry. Now, I wanted this little bit of interaction because, it's always good that we keep getting your questions, but going back to the most important part, and that is the academy, that is the course. Now, like I told you that, even somebody like Da Vinci, who created a masterpiece, had put a lot of thought, a lot of science, a lot of math into his masterpiece, right? The same way, we have put a lot of thought into building the course content. We have done a lot of varied subjects, areas of the course that we have put together in our foundation course and our advanced course, right? So the syllabus also includes a lot of new stuff that is happening in Lakme Fashion Week, which happens twice a year. Lakme Salon does Lakme Fashion Week, and So all of that goes into teaching you, into teaching your skills, into enhancing your skills. So अकेडमी में जब हम सीख के आते हैं, अकेडमी में जब हम लर्न करते हैं, जब हम 3 महीने या 6 महीने या 1 साल का कोर्स करके आते हैं, तो हम बिल्कुल तैयार होते हैं प्रोफेशनल वर्ल्ड के लिए। अभी आपको पता है कि 10 years ago or 15 years ago, I started 16 years ago, it was not very competitive. But right now, it is a very competitive industry and it is very important. And this I will say to all the parents. If your children want to be makeup artists, please support them. Please give them the right direction, the right education. I know a lot of you will be graduating, and congratulations on that. A lot of you may be sitting in a job but you're not happy because you know your passion is makeup. This is a great time to enroll for a course and do it. I have had many experiences where people have called me and said that I've done a course, 1 month course or 2 months course from a makeup artist next to my house, but what do I do now? So they are left with no choice. And so you also need somebody who will guide you to a career further. So your career counselors in Lakme Academy are the one who are going to handhold you towards your best course and the best education that they can give you, and then towards what your career can be like. So like we just spoke initially, and I'll go back to what are your career options. So आपके करियर ऑप्शंस क्या हैं अगर आप मेकअप सीखते हैं तो? आप एक फैशन शो के आर्टिस्ट बन सकते हैं, आप एक फ्रीलांसर भी बन सकते हैं, आप सैलून जॉब भी कर सकते हैं, जो मैं हाईली रिकमेंड करूँगी, क्योंकि सैलून जॉब करने से आपको एक्सपीरियंस भी मिलता है। जस्ट लाइक जब आप ग्रेजुएट करते हैं, तो आप एकदम से उसके बाद तो आप इंटर्नशिप भी करते हैं, आप कुछ सीखते हो उस जॉब में। द सेम वे आपने जब अकेडमी से कोर्स किया, तो आप एक सैलून जॉब करेंगे, तो उससे क्या है कि आपको ज़्यादा स्ट्रेंथ मिलेगी, है ना? सो उसके बाद आप खुद एक ब्लॉगर बन सकते हैं। आई नो कि आजकल सब तो स्पेशली बिकॉज़ लॉकडाउन है, तो हम सब वी आर वाचिंग यूट्यूब वीडियोज़, वी आर वाचिंग ब्लॉगर्स। आप खुद भी वो बन सकते हैं। अब वो बनने के लिए आपको मेकअप तो सीखना ही पड़ेगा। सिर्फ वीडियो देख के, एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ द 5th टाइम आई एम सेइंग दिस, बट सिर्फ वीडियो देख के आप मेकअप आर्टिस्ट नहीं बन पाएँगे। आप अपना कर लेंगे, आप अपनी फ्रेंड्स का कर लेंगे, वो बहुत खुश हो जाएँगी, बट जब आप रियल पीपल का करेंगे, और जैसे किसी ने बोला कि मैं सेलिब्रिटी का कैसे करूँ? आपको आपके अंदर बहुत हुनर होना चाहिए एक सेलिब्रिटी का मेकअप करने के लिए। आपके अंदर बहुत हुनर होना चाहिए एक फैशन शो करने के लिए, एक एडिटोरियल करने के लिए। आई टेल यू व्हाई, बिकॉज़ अ लॉट ऑफ मनी इज़ पुट इन दैट एड, एंड हाउ दैट मॉडल इज़ गोइंग टू लुक डिपेंड्स ऑन द आर्टिस्ट। सो आपका जो क्रिएटिव टीम होगा, एडिटोरियल टीम होगा, दे विल एक्सपेक्ट फ्लॉलेस मेकअप। यू कैन नॉट गेट नर्वस देयर। यू कैन नॉट से कि क्लास में तो अच्छा हो रहा था, या घर पे वीडियो देख के तो अच्छा हो रहा था। You cannot waste other people's money. And if you get a bad name initially, trust me, no one is going to try with you again, because it's a huge risk. Na? There's big money involved. If you want to be um, going into movies, you want to be a movie makeup artist, तो भी आपको चांस तो हो सकता है मिल जाए, पर आपको वहाँ पे डिलीवर भी करना है ना, उसके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है प्रैक्टिस। सो आपके जो ट्रेनर्स होंगे वो आपको बार-बार प्रैक्टिस कराएँगे, बार-बार, जब तक कि आपका हाथ पक्का नहीं हो जाए। जस्ट लाइक आप देखते हैं अगर कोई मैराथन होता है, राइट? सो वो मैराथन में जो भाग रहा है रेस में, वो उसी दिन तो नहीं सुबह उठ के भागना शुरू हुआ। दैट पर्सन हैज़ वर्क्ड, and his coach has worked with him for years, and that training has happened again and again and again, till he has become capable to come and run that marathon and create history. The same way, when you come to the academy, your trainers are going to train you, they will grill you, they will make you learn the course thoroughly, they will make you practice so much that when you go on the job, you are a professional. After that, I will say, work with the salon. You will learn so much about live interaction, about what a client is like. Sometimes the client may be very happy with you, sometimes the client may not like what you are doing, or you may not understand कि वो जो चाहते हैं वो क्या है और आप क्या डिलीवर कर रहे हो, राइट? सो उस सब के लिए आपको वो एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए, और वो आपको सैलून में एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा, लैक्मे सैलून में। अब जब आप लैक्मे सैलून आते हैं, if you get a job here, like I said, we have the backstage hero. If you become a backstage hero, which is a wonderful, wonderful plan. It's a very unique plan, actually, that you are trained for 1 year to be able to go and work in Lakme Fashion Week. And I can tell you, meri zindagi ka, this is the proudest moment that I have done Lakme Fashion Week. As a makeup artist, I think हम सबका कहीं ना कहीं ये ambition था कि हम कोई भी फैशन वीक की हो, इट डजंट मैटर, जब तक लैक में फैशन वीक नहीं की, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट वाओ थिंग वी डोंट फील, राइट? सो गाइस, प्लीज मेक वेरी वाइज डिसीजंस। आप अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ सलाह करिए, आप अपने रिसर्च करिए, आप जो भी डोंट थिंक ट्वाइस, इधर उधर कहीं नहीं जाना है। ये आपके फ्यूचर का सवाल है, ये जो करियर है आपका, ये आपके साथ हमेशा रहेगा, ये याद रखना। अपने करियर में कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं करना, कभी भी एजुकेशन पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं करना, और किसी भी चीज़ पे कर लेना, राइट? आई थिंक I will take a couple of more questions. I think I have talked too much, so I will just go back to taking your questions today. Every girl is a makeup artist of herself. Everyone can do makeup. So don't you feel that scope in this field is little less now? Shaina Munyal, great question. No, I don't feel, because there is one thing that doing makeup, and ये हमेशा से था, that you could do makeup on yourself, you could do makeup on your friends. This has been going on for years. I remember my mom's wedding pictures. I asked her, who did your makeup, and her sisters had done it. This is nothing new. But because social media is so evident now, glamour is such an integral part of our lives. Movies, editorials, like I said, bloggers, salons, fashion weeks, there is so much more scope in makeup. So I think women have always done each other's makeup. That is not new. But yes, now we are seeing it a lot because of social media. Everyone is posting their pictures. But yeah, so the scope is very good. Saida, good evening. Thank you. Okay. Any questions? Anybody? I think we have last about 3-4 minutes. So if you have any questions that you would like to ask me, Priya, how can I make my professional profile? Well, Priya, it's very important, firstly, that you study from a professional academy. When you study from a professional academy, you will not have to ask, because they will help you make your professional profile, right? They will help you make your catalog. They will, guide you, handhold you. To take you into the professional world. आप जब school जाते हैं तो school prepares you, right, for college, right? So um, uh, the same way, the academy guides you to go into the world, into the real world, and start doing makeup. So, hi, Ramandeep, hello. Parneet Korsani, good evening. So, on that note, I think we are almost done. Maybe one or two more questions we can take. Okay. How to join Lakme Fashion Week, Pavan Raj? Is that you? In a makeup artist, you have to be a Lakme salon expert to join Fashion Week, Lakme Fashion Week. आप अगर Lakme Fashion Week join करना चाहते हैं तो आपको Lakme salon join करना है, और फिर आप बन सकते हैं. When I complete 3 month certified course, can I compatible to do career in this related industry? Shweta, yes, you can. After you do your 3 months course, you can join the salon, and or you can look into other things. And but of course, be an expert or to become like famous, it takes time, guys. It does not happen in one day. आप ये नहीं कह सकते हो. I cannot say that 3 months में आप स्टार बन जाएंगे, आप सेलिब्रिटी का मेकअप करना शुरू कर देंगे. मेहनत लगती है और हम सब ने मेहनत की है यहाँ तक आने के लिए और आपको भी मेहनत करनी चाहिए. You guys are very young, so please put in hard work. Do not be discouraged. Let me tell you this. Please don't be discouraged. Be very enthusiastic. Makeup एक बहुत एक wonderful you know profession है and uh, take it in a very wonderful way also. So okay, how I want to know how important it is to speak English for salon field. Well, it really depends on your attitude. I don't think that I personally feel that as long as you are groomed and आप polite हैं, आप अच्छे से बात करते हैं, that is what matters. आप कौन सी भाषा यूज करते हैं शायद उसका इतना ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. ओके Okay, so I'm not stressing only about salon job. I'm also telling you that you can be a blogger, you can be an Instagrammer, you can join the aviation industry, you can also join the hotel industry, you can also be a salon owner, you can own a franchisee, you can also be a Lakme Academy owner, you can have a Lakme Academy of your own. So there are many options for you. Okay, so guys, I think I've taken a lot of questions and this has been great. Some of the questions are uh, okay, so you are offered for retail. Yeah, even retail stores, you need to be well groomed. So 3 months में आप सीख रहे हैं how to do your own makeup, how to be well groomed, and how to be a professional makeup artist. It's an amazing thing. So anyway, so I think I will have to. I've already 2 minutes up, so I'm sorry. I'll have to close now. So thank you so much. This was wonderful. I hope next time I'm able to take more questions and I can encourage you even more. But I'm going to end by saying, guys, if you are in this industry, आपके अगर एक दो experiences बहुत अच्छे भी नहीं हुए हैं, please do not be discouraged. Okay, this is a wonderful industry. Work hard. Hard work का कोई और तोड़ नहीं है. If you are consistent, if you are persistent, if you are hardworking and you are sincere, then sky's the limit. You can achieve anything. So be positive, keep smiling, and this is Anu signing off. Thank you so much. Bye bye.